Good afternoon, viewers and subscribers. This is your girl, Lady Hannah, coming to you from the beautiful Jamaica, my parish, St. Mary, and I am in my backyard, and I'm gonna share my all the beautiful trees with you guys. First, let me show you the breadfruit tree. And I have a breadfruit from the tree. I am gonna roast that later, and I'm gonna show you that video roasting breadfruit on the coal stove. You know how we do it a country now. And there you have a guava tree and also an ackee tree over there. Look at that. This is so awesome, guys. Look at all them trees. You see them trees? Look at that. Such a beautiful tree. Such a beautiful view. And I also have mango tree. And we also have pepper tree. And we also have, look at this. We used to call this French thyme. Big tree in the back of my yard. Look at that, guys. This is so awesome. Look at that too, guys. Jackfruit on the tree. But the jackfruit tree is covered in whisk. See, that's the jackfruit tree. I have some big one on it. And if I can go closer and zoom in on the jackfruit tree. There are big jackfruit on the tree. And there we have another mango tree. That mango tree is called a long mango. Yes, guys. Yes, guys, I'm in the country. I'm in the hills of St. Mary. And see, banana on the tree. And see a mango tree there. That mango tree is called a long mango. See that mango tree? And we also have coconut tree. Coconut tree right there. And this is another mango tree, guys. And we have also a lychee tree, which we also call a Chinese guinea. Yeah, man. It is so nice here in the back of my yard, right in the back of the yard. And so we have all type of bananas and cocoa tree. Boy, it is so awesome. It is so good to be home, guys. It is so good to be home. It is awesome. Look at that, guys. We also have yam. This is a yellow yam. And see the cocoa tree. Oh, wow. This is awesome. Yes, guys, and there is another banana tree right there. And we also have chicken. Let's go and look at the chicken in the coop. All right? Yes, guys, see the chicken there? We have chickens. These are the ones that lay the eggs. Yes, guys, big things going on in the backyard right here. Yes, guys, look at what is happening in the back of the yard. Please like, subscribe, and share. You know, I just in my backyard enjoying the view, and I decide to share the view with you. It is an awesome view. Look at all the trees. Guys, I grew up right in this yard. My yard is a farm. We have every fruit tree. We have mangoes and we have all the ackees. There is so much fruit trees here. Look at that, guys. Bananas and cocoa and just everything you can think of in the back of this yard. Oh, wow. It is so nice to be home, guys. It is so nice to be home. All right, guys. I am going to roast my breadfruit and I'm going to do another video roasting the breadfruit. Yes, guys. Yes, guys. Look at that. Look at all that. All the trees. It is so green and lush and beautiful. There you go, guys. It is awesome. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. This is a girl, Lady Hannah. And I will check back in with you later when I roast in my breadfruit. Have a good evening. Okay, guys?